Authorities say that the Vietnam floods that started last October 9 and killed more than 50 people are the worst in years, with thousands of houses submerged and damaged. From EBC Vietnam, here's Karen Lacuna.
54 people have died and 39 went missing as the destructive floods battered northern and central Vietnam this week. The floods that hit Vietnam starting last October 9 are the worst in years. Agriculture Minister Wing Xuan Khong quoted in the state-run television that 317 homes have collapsed in floods and landslides, and 34,000 houses have been submerged or damaged. Aside from these, 22,000 hectares of rice have been affected and 180,000 animals were either killed or washed away. Disaster official Win Thi Lin from northern Yên province, where 6 people have died from the floods, said 580 soldiers and police and 2,000 residents have been mobilized to search for another 16 still missing in the province. Hoa Binh province in the northwest declared a state of emergency and opened 8 gates to discharge water at Hoa Binh Dam, Vietnam's largest hydroelectric dam, for the first time in years, VTV reported. 19 people from 4 neighboring households in the province were buried alive early on Thursday after a landslide struck around the midnight on Wednesday, but only 9 bodies have been found. Vietnam is prone to destructive storms and flooding due to its long coastline. Reporting from Vietnam, this is Karen Lacuna.